Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing a bronzer, a very popular drugstore bronzer. Today we're talking about the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula.
Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holla at the boys, looking so good.
Okay, so let's get started, you guys. Of course, every review video that I do, 3 topics, 3 subjects, 3 things. We're talking about packaging, we're talking about how it wore, performance, and last but not least, we are talking about, well, do I recommend it? So first of all, packaging. This is the packaging that I have, you guys. I think it's fun and cute, very like, Hawaii vacation vibe, going out to the beach. It has like little leaves right here, fun, like purple green color, super fun, I wouldn't really call it like a very elegant packaging, but very fun and like maybe even like festive. So I do like that. So it comes in a nice packaging like this. And when you pop it open, it has the product right here. And I've hit pan, you guys. Yes, that is a testament to how much I love this product. So hit pan. We'll get to that later. All right, how much I love this product. But that is what the product looks like. And it does come with a nice clear window, so you can see the shade if you needed to. And then right below the product, it comes with a nice mirror right here. And then it comes to like a little, what do you call it? Like a little brush. It's not really a brush, to be quite honest. I threw it away. I don't have it. I don't think I have it. Let me check real quick. All right. Yeah, no, I threw it away. All right. It comes with like a little brush. It's not really a brush. I'll post a picture up somewhere on the screen to show you guys what it looks like. But I didn't really like it. I mean, try it out. You might end up liking the little brush thing that comes with it. But personally, I didn't like the brush that it came with, and I never really used it. I didn't use it, period, except for that one time I was trying it out. And so I'm like, let's not waste space, let's toss it out. So I think I threw it away, but I'm not really sure. But I can't find it, so I probably did. All right, so that's me blabbing and talking nonsense. All right, so on the back it has a couple more information, and it clips closed right here. It snaps closed. It is pretty thick. I mean, that's because it comes with that little brush on the bottom. If you buy this and you're like, wow, that comes with a lot of bronzer. No, it doesn't. It's because half of it is where they hold in the brush, and then the upper half is where the actual product is. So that is the Butter Bronzer. All right. Now, let's talk about how it wore on my skin, the performance, my thoughts, my opinions on all that stuff. So first of all, you guys, I do have dry skin. So I do think that does play a part in this because, I mean, this is something you apply to your skin, you guys. So dry skin is the first thing I want to mention, all right? Now, if it's not obvious enough, I've hit pan on this for a very good reason because, I mean, I do really like it, you guys. I'm not going to lie. Number one, well, I was going to say it's affordable, but I feel like Physicians Formula is more on the expensive drugstore side. Call me crazy. Maybe it is very affordable to you guys, but personally, I think it is it is drugstore, but I feel like even within the drugstore realm, there is like a, affordable, cheaper side, and then there's the expensive side. So that's just how I see it. Like, to me, affordable would be like LA Girl. That's affordable. I can buy like their LA Girl liners in the bulk because that's how affordable they are. Which, by the way, I did a review on them as well, so go check it out. But Butter Bronzer, it is drugstore, but it's more on the expensive side. So let me just look up real quick what the price is. So I am currently on the Ulta website, and the Butter Bronzer, Muru Muru Butter Bronzer, it is retailing for $15.99, but they have that crossed out, and instead they have it for $11.19. So I guess there's like sales going on or something. I'm not really sure. They do come in different shades. They come in, let's see, bronzer, deep bronzer, bronze Brazilian glow, endless summer, light bronzer, and sun-kissed bronzer. So that is the different shades they come in. All right, so yeah, $15.99. Is that $15.99? Am I going crazy? It is nighttime, you guys. Forgive me. Well, the original price is $15.99, but I guess there's like a sale. I'm not too sure. It says $15.99, has that crossed out, and then $11.15 or $11.19. But rounding up, $16, right? So $16 for this. That's pretty expensive. I think it is. You can also find other bronzes out there for much cheaper. So to me, it is on the more expensive side, all right? But the thing is, we're talking about performance and how it wore on my skin. So the way I like to wear butter bronzer is basically using a brush like this, all right? There is also a brush, I think it's by Morphe. I can't remember. I saw another like beauty influencer talk about it. I have to go back and check it out. But the brush was like, you know, who was it? Samantha March, all right? I was watching her video and she got a new brush. And I think it was a Morphe brush. I just can't remember where the brush was from. But all I remember was that the brush was like bigger than this. It was flatter. And it was meant for a bronzer brush. And she dipped it into like the Marc Jacobs bronzer. But I'm like, I kind of want that brush. It looks nice. And it looks like it works really well. So I might go pick that up. Of course, once all this quarantine stay at home is over, then I'll go get it. But I'm like keeping like a list of different makeup and skincare items I want to get. So that way I'm not like, you know, I'm like prepared to go in and out real quick. You get what I'm saying? So anyways, this is the brush that I use for pretty much all of my bronzers. What I like to do is dip it in to the product and then sometimes even swirl it around just to have the product all over my brush. And then I like to, you know, I have makeup on obviously, but just showing you exactly what I do. Now, sometimes I do kind of tap with a light hand, all right? And I do feel like tapping helps it like, you know, place on the product. I'm putting it on very lightly. Let's, you know, first of all, I want to make sure that's clear. So I tap it on and with a very light hand, and I feel like that makes the product stay on and be not as dramatic. All right. And other times what I like to do is kind of, again, using a light hand. I don't really like to go heavy handed with bronzers. Sometimes I do, but for the most part, I really don't. I like to very gently, you guys, gently go over like this, you know? It's like I'm barely touching my face. I'm like tickling my face a little bit, if that makes sense, right? So that's what I like to do. And I noticed that once I place that bronzer on, once I have this butter bronzer on, it stays put, of course, with the help of a setting spray. Of course, you know, I have it all locked in place with a primer in the bottom, all the good stuff, all right? But butter bronzer, it looks nice on my skin. It looks like it doesn't really look like I'm wearing like a bronzer on my face. It looks like my skin is just healthy and it has a nice glow to it. So it wears nicely. It wears beautifully on your skin. I do really like it, you guys. And they've been around for a very long time, you guys. I want to say this was one of my first true love when it comes to bronzers. I will say one thing though, when you get this, it has like a coconutty smell. I think it's coconut. Like, you know, vacation, coconut, you know, pineapple, whatever, right? It has like this distinct, I want to say it's coconut, a very distinct coconut smell. And a lot of people do enjoy that smell, that nice coconut smell. But personally, I can do without the smell, all right? If I had to pick, I like a more fruitier, sweet candy smell. That would be pretty awesome, all right? If it smelled like candy, I'll be like, all day, literally all day, all right? Candy smell, sweet sugar, sweet smell. I love that stuff. You know, I have a candle that is a cupcake smell. Oh, delicious, you guys. Sometimes I refrain from lighting that candle up because when I do, I'm like, all right, now I want some cupcakes. Now I want some cupcakes. So yeah, I love sweet smell. So the coconut smell I can do without. But besides that, I mean, it's not going to kill me. It's not like the coconut smell stays on and lingers on forever. It just smells that way when you first open it up. You have a little whiff of it, and then it kind of goes away, right? So that's all it is. It doesn't, like, stay on your face and you smell like coconuts all day. So that's that. All right, so final, do I recommend this? Well, Yes, I do recommend it, you guys. The price point is pretty expensive if you ask me. I mean, we're ballparking, we're rounding up, and for roughly $16 for one of these, I do find that pretty pricey. But then again, you have to remember it comes not only with the product, it comes with that brush, which, I'm not a fan of, but whatever. And it comes with a mirror. So it does have those three components, and the packaging is super cute. Like I said, it reminds me of like a vacation. Not really an elegant packaging if you ask me, but nothing's wrong with that. Definitely fun and very festive and beachy and vacationy. So that's a really good vibe. I mean, come on. Stuck in quarantine, staying at home, I can use some vacation right now. I can go out and go to the beach. I need that right now. And this is the closest thing bringing me that vacation vibe right now. So, recommendation, I do recommend it, you guys. It works well. It lasts pretty long. It looks good on, I want to say, a lot of skin tones. They do come with different shades, so you can pick one that really suits your skin tone. The one I have is just the original one, I think. Or I don't know what original is, to be honest, but the one I have is called Deep Bronzer. All right, so that's the one I have. So if you have a similar skin tone like I do, then pick up that shade Deep Bronzer. It works really well, you guys. I like it. It works well. I do recommend it, besides it being a little bit pricey, but it's lasted me a really long time. And even though I've hit pan, all right, although I've hit pan, I still have a lot more to go. So yeah. Alright, you guys, that is pretty much it for this video. If you like videos like this where I talk about one product, reviewing one product at a time, and giving you the details, the inside scoop, and just really putting down the nitty-grittiness of how I really feel about these products and if I recommend them, and of course, the beautiful packaging, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, join the Kwak fam, and don't forget to click on that notification bell. That way, when I upload a video, you won't miss out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want, follow me on my social media. I have TikTok, I have Instagram, and I also have Twitter. So check me out there. And that is pretty much it, you guys. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. Hopefully at home. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some